Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2001 Ford Focus. We're having some problems with our right side turn signal bulb. We replaced the bulb and it's still not working, so we're going to show you how to diagnose it. This is where the right side turn signal light is. It's not working. What we're going to do is we're going to grab the socket. I'm going to pull it out. And that's the bulb that we just replaced it with. It's not working, so we'll pull it out. Something you want to take a look at inside here, it's kind of hard to see, but if you can see that green on the terminals, that's corrosion. That's from the elements, weather getting in there and causing the metals to corrode. So that's going to prevent voltage from getting to your light bulb. So that's one thing. If this light did not have that, this socket didn't have that, we're going to show you how to test it. So I'm going to put the key in accessory mode with the engine off. And then I'm going to put the right side turn signal on. As you can see, it's flashing. I'm going to pop the hood. Now I'm going to open the hood. Use the prop rod right there. We want to test the turn signal socket for power and ground. One way to do that, we're going to hook our test light to battery positive, but because the battery is over here and the light is over here, our test light isn't going to reach that. So we're going to use a jumper wire. We just have an alligator clip on one end. We'll hook that, and then we'll hook the test light down below with that. You want to make sure that other end is not touching the vehicle at all. Come over to the battery. And we'll put that on the positive side, just like that. So here's our test light. This is a 12-volt test light. You can actually get these at 1aauto.com. We're going to connect it to our jumper harness with the alligator clips right here. Just go. Now this is connected to battery positive, so we're going to check to make sure that this test light works. And we're just gonna go on a ground. So this setup right here is for testing a ground circuit. So then we're gonna test this socket. And we should have a steady light. That's blinking, so that's not it. That's blinking. Oh, there we go. So if I clean off some of the corrosion, I do get a steady light. So aside from the corrosion on this would be a working socket, but because of the corrosion, it needs to be replaced. All right, so we got a new socket here. Plug that in. Right, now we're going to install a new light bulb. As you can see, it's working properly. So we can slide it back into place. Line that up and twist it to the right.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.